Tri tekme, 3 zmage, 100-stotni izkupiček kot energijski vložek za nadaljevanje sezone. Moštvo se na odličnih temeljih mirno pripravlja na zadnji obračun pred reprezentančnim premorom.
Yes, we are doing good. This for me is one great advantage in the table. We must keep doing as we are doing, working hard to keep this level to the end.
Rodrigo Defendi je sodeloval pri vseh 3 pomladnih zmagah, nazadnje pa prvič tudi v paru z Aleksandrom Rajčevićem.
This was my first game with Rajčević, but we are training together since I came here, so 1 year training together, so that we didn't have problems in the game. We understand good each other.
Ne le obramba, tudi napad v zadnjih tekmah deluje odlično. Po 4 gole na zadnjih 2 tekmah je zabila napadalna vrsta. Toda brazilski branilec poudarja, da je pomembno ravnovesje v ekipi.
Yes, our attackers, they are scoring. It's good, and our defense part of we are doing good. We score a lot of goals and then we don't suffer many goals, so it's good.
Super obdobje, v katerem je trenutno ekipa, so začutili tudi navijači. Odličen obisk tudi proti Aluminiju priča o tem, da se ustvarja šampionska energija. Podporo navijačev nogometaši sprejemajo z obema rokama in si je želijo tudi v Celju.
Not only, as you say, against Olympia and derbies, they are coming also in like small games, but they are our 12th player, so without them, I think it's more hard for us. And when they are supporting us, it's much easier to play. So that's why I think also we are in the top of the table. They are coming to help us.